Hi there, I just wanted to give you some quick tips on how to use ReadTheory.org and some available features that you may have not stumbled onto. Up here on the top of the ReadTheory.org is a button called Progress Reports. When you select that, you're going to be given reports about your child's performance. Now when I click that, I'm going to pick a particular student here, and this is what they have on this chart. You'll notice over here that they have a pretest average. When they first took this and set up themselves in ReadTheory, they took an initiation test, and this child was a third grade reader with a Lexile of 570. Below here is their current average. Currently this child's a 4.5 grade level with a 730 Lexile, so you can see that there's been significant growth there. For fourth grade, by the end of the year, the children should be reading at about 740, so that's the goal. So this child's getting very close. You can see that they also have quizzes. 37 quizzes were passed out of 52. And then knowledge points is just a part of the gaming feature of this. Now scrolling down, you'll notice the progression in growth in grade level. So this is the grade level progression, and it tells you what grade of the test was on. So you can see that this child's been hopping back and forth, and it makes you wonder, like, was there a lack of interest here and that's why they dipped below, because they were doing very strong, but the interest came back up and now they're above that. The dashed yellow line is where they should be in the current year. As you can see, it's getting closer to 5th grade as we get closer to the end of the year. If you scroll down, you'll see the Lexile, and Lexile means how their reading ability for that. And as you can see, she's made consistent growth, and she's even actually performed at a Lexile of 930 up here. And going down here, now this portion of the test will require you to click on another button. Now over here in the children's version of it, there's another button here, but don't worry which one it is, because they know that there are 2 buttons up here that I ask them to punch all the time, so they'll be able to figure it out and to tell you exactly which buttons to get these reports. To get this report, you have to click on that second button. This one shows the date that they took the test and what grade level they were able to take. Starting down here at 5th grade, the child got 100% and was increased to 6th grade. Well, and the 6th grade performance level, she did well. She got to stay at 6th grade with no decrease, and then got another 6th grade test, didn't do well. So they decreased her back to 5th grade. She got 100%, she increased. She got 100%, she increased. And then 7th grade, she had an opportunity to go up to 7th grade reading Lexile, and she didn't do so well, so they decreased her. She went back to 6th grade, and whether it was attention or whatnot, they decreased her again, so she'll be reading a 5th grade test. Now if your child goes from 5th grade or 6th grade all the way down to 2nd grade, what's going on? Are they rushing? Are they not paying attention? Are they not using the skills that they have learned and know? So that would be a way for you to monitor their progression. The idea and goal would be is that they're in 4th grade and that they remain in 4th grade with 80%, 75%, and then they go up to 5th grade, and maybe they go back and forth between 4th and 5th and 4th and 5th, but not all the way down to 2nd again. So that's a way for you to monitor them at home and for you to stay on top of their ability and to increase your expectation. If you don't know what they're doing when they're practicing for you at your house for ReadTheory, this is a quick and easy way to do it. So they can be practicing for a half hour, you can say pull your reports, and then you can see how they've done by looking at it in the whole picture, which will include the in-class ReadTheories that we also do. So it's an excellent source. I hope that's helpful and that you'll find a way to use it at your house too.